Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I think ADA deserves another update today. I already made the live stream today, did explain a little bit about ADA and did take the bullish scenario of the chart. It was not the primary scenario anyway. I mean, don't get me wrong. This here, what you can see on the chart is a bullish scenario because I'm counting it as a so-called 1-2 setup with the wave 2 being a WXY structure. And in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C structure. But you need to understand that there was a short-term bullish, there was a potential short-term bullish scenario, right? And this short-term bullish scenario just didn't play out. And it was only the alternative anyway. So from that point of view, the move to the downside is currently being followed. However, I've looked at it, and I want to talk to you about two short-term bearish scenarios. Yeah? So the idea is that obviously we are in the wave 2. At the moment, I'm counting it like Bitcoin, where we say, okay, we came down in a wave W here to the low of the 24th of April, a wave X to the upside, and now a wave Y down. And then we've got an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Possible. Then we would have here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and maybe get a 4 and a 5. This is sort of what we are looking at here, and this is an absolute possible scenario, pretty much in line with Ethereum, Bitcoin, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. But if that is a wave 3, it should take us quite low, and there's a risk we are going to break the 33.3 cent level. Not a disaster. We would then just morph into the second larger degree bullish scenario. Yeah, there is basically in this scenario, in which I'm counting it as a 1-2 setup, support at 33.3 cents. If we break below that, then what happens is not bearish necessarily, but we have to reset this wave 2, which bottomed on the 10th of March, to over here. And then it's just a different count, and the relevant support then is 27.6 cents. Of course, at that point, when we're morphing from one higher degree bullish into another higher degree bullish scenario, a new bear market low will become more likely, because there's literally just one bullish scenario left instead of two. And but nevertheless, there's still space to 27.6 cents before ADA really gets into trouble. The other potential in the short term that I wanted to talk about is, what if this is not an A, B, C, but instead we have a WXY structure in the Y wave? I know that it's getting quite messy now, but it is a messy market at the moment. There was just a dog in case you heard him. The idea would be wave W, wave X, wave Y, off wave Y. And by the way, I have to change the wave degree, otherwise it gets a bit messy here. So WXY in the Y wave, and then what we have here is an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and that could be it. Yeah, that could be it. And if I'm looking at this C wave to the downside now, I go to the 1 hour chart. So, this is just an idea. Again, bear in mind, micro counting, it's not that reliable, okay? What's much more important is to understand the relevant pivot points, and we've got one here at 33.3 cents. Anyway, if I'm saying, okay, this might be a C wave down now, then we had here possibly a wave 1, a very tiny wave 2, but that's similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum. We had our wormhole jump, our warp jump in third wave down. Wrong direction though. No, it was actually correct, into the primary direction. Then a fourth wave could be unfolding right now, and the fifth wave to the downside should follow, and that could be it in this particular scenario. How high is the wave 4 now allowed to go? Bear in mind, we've got a bit of a volatile day, so things could get to the extremes. But if I draw wave 4 resistance, it is allowed to go all the way up to the 50% retracement of the third wave. So 36 cents is certainly a likely target here. Well, maximum target, yeah. It should not go above 36 cents. If it's doing that, then it indicates the move down is or maybe already over. But as long as we stay below 36 cents, we should get one more low, maybe to 33.3 cents. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.